Healthcare is a tough mountain to climb. Now more than ever, you and your supply chain need to be ready for whatever comes your way. Labor shortages, limited visibility, lack of efficiency. A journey this challenging calls for an experienced healthcare partner, someone who knows the path to greater supply chain resiliency and has your back for the long haul. Medline is that kind of partner. Our supply chain optimization solutions are customized to meet your exact needs. We're creative problem solvers, filling gaps quickly and bringing you the resources to keep up with demand. We improve functionality, providing the right tools and technology for better visibility across your system. We deliver supply chain resiliency, creating new ways to empower your team to work more efficiently. Ready to reach your supply chain goals? Partner with us and be prepared for whatever comes your way.